How do I switch SIM cards between AT&T phones?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about a very common procedure that many of us might need to do at some point: switching SIM cards between AT&T phones. Whether you're upgrading to a new phone or need to use a different device temporarily, this guide will help you get it done safely and effectively.
What do I need before starting?
Before we begin, there are a few things you'll need. 1. Your AT&T phones, both the phone from which you're moving the SIM card and the phone into which you're inserting the SIM card. 2. A SIM eject tool or a small paperclip, if you don't have a SIM eject tool. Make sure both phones are powered off before starting to prevent any potential data corruption or loss.
How do I remove the SIM card from the old phone?
This process might vary slightly depending on your phone model, but the general steps are as follows. 1. Locate the SIM card tray on your old phone. It is typically on the side of the phone and has a small hole. 2. Insert your SIM eject tool or unfolded paperclip into the hole and push gently. The SIM card tray should pop out. 3. Carefully remove the SIM card from the tray, being careful not to touch the metal contacts as this can cause data corruption.
How do I insert the SIM card into the new phone?
Now, let's move on to inserting the SIM card into the new phone. The process is as follows. 1. Locate the SIM card tray on your new phone. Remember, the location might be different from your old phone. 2. Place your SIM card into the tray. It will fit only one way, so if it seems to resist or doesn't fit, don't force it. Remove it and try repositioning it. 3. Slide the tray back into the phone, making sure it's secure and flush with the phone's body. And that's it. You've successfully switched your SIM card between your AT&T phones. After switching on your new phone, it should recognize the SIM card, and you'll be able to use your services as usual. If any issue arises, remember to contact AT&T customer support for assistance. We hope this guide was helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and take care.